How to add games to cart on EA application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add games to your cart on the EA Games app so that you can buy multiple games easily. First of all, open up the EA application on your device and sign in with your EA account's credentials. Make sure that you're logged into your EA application, and once you're in, go to the cart icon at the top right corner and click on it. Now click on Browse Deals, and from the menu that appears on the screen, select the game you want to add to your cart, and once you find the game, from the game's thumbnail, click on the cart icon underneath it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the specific game to your cart. You can add multiple games to your cart. Just find the game and click on the cart icon underneath it, and the game will keep adding on in the cart list. You can continue browsing and adding more games to your cart, and once you are ready to check out with multiple games, click on the checkout button by clicking the cart icon at the top right, and then review your cart before purchasing to avoid accidental buys. Check if any promo codes are available and add it to Apply Promo Code tab and click on Apply. Make sure that your payment method is valid. Make sure to add your payment method as well, and once you're done, click on Pay Now on the right. And that's how you add games to your cart on the EA Game app easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.